Hello everyone, Anthony Young, owner of Young & Associates Realty Valuation and Consulting, your friends in the appraisal business. Look, the reason for the video is I've been getting a lot of messages and emails lately asking me, what is this appraisal workshop that we keep hearing about? And with as long as I've been in the business, do I even need to go? And the answer is yes, you need to be there. I don't care if you've been in the business for 2 years or 20 years. This real, raw, and relevant, more importantly, timely workshop is jam-packed full of information that you can use in your business immediately to either make better deals or save deals that can be saved. Some of the topics that we're going to go over is when you meet the appraiser, what should you bring to control as much of the aspect as you can of the appraisal process. Also, what not to say, how to pick better comps. I'm also going to break open some of the myths that you've been carrying your entire real estate career. But do not take my word for it. I want you to listen to a few people that have been recently to my workshop.
Hey everyone, Laura McLean here with the McLean team at J. Rockcliffe Realtors. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to Anthony of Young & Associates for his presentation of Appraising the Appraisal. He is an absolute wealth of knowledge when it comes to preventing and combating appraisal issues. And this is not elementary stuff. He provides extremely insightful information for even the most seasoned agent. So if you haven't taken the time to make it to one of his presentations yet, I highly recommend that you do. It's valuable, time well spent. Thank you again, Anthony.
Hi, I'm Katie Delasto, founder of Capiche Consulting. I do sales training and leadership development and recently had the opportunity to watch Anthony Young speak about appraising the appraiser. As a real estate agent for over 15 years, it was an incredible class that I would highly recommend to real estate agents and loan officers about managing your relationship with the appraiser and helping to make sure your clients are getting what they need to help them in this process. It is a very informative class, great tidbits, really good information, and ways that we can help our clients, help our business, and yes, help the appraisers get done what we need to get done. Please go to Anthony's class. You don't want to miss it.
Hi, this is Darren Roundtree of Caliber Home Loans. I just want to take a second to thank Anthony Young of Young & Associates for a wonderful workshop that he just put on. He doesn't make excuses for bad appraisals when you get them, and that's what I appreciate. He simply takes the time out to help you get to better results from those appraisals. I've been to a lot of appraisal speakers. I've heard them from here and there, and he is by far the best in the business, the best in the field. Nothing compares to Anthony's workshops. It's priceless. It's a great investment into your business. It's a great investment just for your overall knowledge to be a better professional. Anthony, by far, thank you so much.
So now that you've heard from them, do not delay. Space is always limited. We always have a jam-packed house. So check in the comments right now. There's going to be some links to some of our upcoming workshops that you can get signed up immediately. Again, Anthony Young, Young & Associates, Realty Valuation and Consulting. And if you ever need something on my side of the industry, do not hesitate to give us a call, 925-999-0144.